No joking, guys, we have just been hit by a drone. We heard it coming. It stinks of oil in here. I didn't even finish my cup of tea.
لا والله حربية، طيارة حربية، طيارة حربية. شوف 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 شوف
1 minute
Ja, as mense kyk hoe val die bomme hier om ons. Dis groot moeilikheid.